In this short video, we'll go over the different ways you can segment your contacts with Constant Contact. If you don't have your contacts segmented already, Click Segmentation is a great way to start. When you create the links in your emails, you'll have the option to turn on Click Segmentation. That way, when contacts click your links, they'll be added to the list you choose. Click Segmentation is a pretty hands-off way to get started with segmenting your contacts. To get the most out of this feature, set up an autoresponder series to send to new contacts that get added to the list. Now, if you're more interested in creating your own segments of contacts, try out our segment builder. You'll be able to create your own segments of contacts based on criteria you choose. This takes all of the manual work out of segmenting your contacts. With just a few clicks, you'll have perfectly segmented lists based on your criteria. If you're more of a do-it-yourselfer, you could always segment your lists manually. Create as many lists as you need. Select the contacts you want and add them to the list you create. For example, you can segment your contacts by location, email address, birthday month, and more. Think about your business and what segments might work best for you. Segmenting your contacts doesn't have to be difficult with Constant Contact.